Let me show you the best part about having an AI avatar like me.
Or one like me.
Or even me.
If you get tired of your avatar's look or just want to change things up, it's really easy to do.
You could go for a young and charming character like me.
Or an old and wise character like me.
Here's a crash course on how you could create an AI avatar like me. Step 1. Go to an AI image generator like Midjourney or Blue Willow. Describe the avatar you want to create in as much detail as possible. In this case, we'll make an old and wise character. Also, describe your art style. I think we'll go for a Pixar animation style on this one. Once you're happy, head over to an AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Murph AI. For 11 Labs, go to Voice Labs and design a new voice.
In my case, I'll need an old and wise voice because you know I'm old and wise, obviously.
Finally, head over to an AI character animation tool like DID Studios or HeyGen. Upload your character and voice. Now create the animation here, and that's it. Enjoy your new character.
Now go out there and create some awesome content.